Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You're starting tethered capture now. Connect your camera with a reliable USB or Wi-Fi link, power it on, and set it to the camera's Tether or PC mode. Once done, open Lightroom Classic and go to File, Tethered Capture, Start Tethered Capture. In the dialog, choose a session name, destination folder, file naming, and a preset or metadata template so files import with your preferred settings automatically. This reduces repetitive steps while you shoot. Now you'll manage captures and image flow. As you shoot, Lightroom's tether bar shows thumbnails. Click to expand and check focus, exposure, and composition. Make sure to apply a develop preset on import if you want consistent color and contrast. Otherwise, batch adjust after a few frames to speed workflow. Once you have a handful of images, use the grid, flags, and star ratings to mark selects and reject distractors so culling stays fast. This keeps the session organized while you continue shooting. To finish, stop the tethered session from the File menu and confirm all files wrote to your chosen folder and catalog. Next, create a collection for selects, apply final keywords and metadata, and immediately back up raw files to an external drive to protect your work. If things go wrong, no connection or no thumbnails, check the cable and port, power cycle the camera, ensure camera tether mode is enabled, and relaunch Lightroom. Switching cables, or USB ports, usually resolves most connection issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.